Kapag ensayo, tila bigay todo ang isang atleta hanggat kaya niya para maging fit and ready sa anumang kompetisyon. Bukod dito, may mga atletang sumusubok din ng cross-training upang tulungang mayangat ang kanilang strength and endurance sa kanilang main sport. Sa episode ngayong araw, ano nga ba ang dahilan paano sila naengganyo dito at ano-ano ang mga paraan para mas lalong lumakas at maging fit? Ako si Sheila Salaysay and this is Inside Sports. Para mas laliman ang ating kaalaman tungkol sa cross-training, makakasama ko ngayong araw ay isang CrossFit Level 2 coach na si Coach Louie Chuaquico. Hi Coach! Coach, ano ba ang cross-training at paano ito nakakatulong sa mga atleta?
So, ang cross-training ay tatlong parte siya. So, we start with the strength part or yung parang lifting part, or minsan we call it strength part, tapos meron kaming gymnastics part. Then, bago magtapos yung session, meron kami tinatawag na Metcon. Ang Metcon ay metabolic conditioning. Doon natin tinutulungan yung mga atleta para lumakas ang kanilang mga baga by lifting, running, kumbaga halo-halong method siya. Siyempre, na ginawa ng coach, at the same time, hindi siya yung basta randomly na gagawin mo. Kumbaga may sistema siya, paano namin pinoprogram yung mga workout para doon sa atleta. Depende rin sa kanilang sports na ginagawa. So for example, meron kaming basketball, volleyball. So sometimes, ginagawa lang namin siya kung anong sport yung ginagawa nila, okay, i-design namin yung program for them.
Coach, anong pagkakaiba nito sa routine exercises?
So, cross-training kasi, it helps you not just to be physically fit, but it helps you sa daily lives na ginagawa mo. For example, how to pick up your mga groceries properly, tapos pag-anak, how to carry it properly. It's, in short, we call it functional. It's very functional. You can apply it to your everyday life. And it's just 60 minutes of work a day.
Tulad ng ibang sports, sigurado ako na may mga equipment na ginagamit para dito. Maaari mo bang i-share sa amin ang ilan sa madalas na ginagamit sa cross-training?
Okay, so sa cross-training ang ginagamit namin, mostly, we have the bike, we have the rowers, okay? May mga row kami, tapos barbell, medicine ball. Napapalitan namin yung mga movement na ginagawa natin sa traditional gym. For example, leg press. Okay, di ba may mga leg press din sa gym? So we do it by barbell squats. Okay? So basically, kaya ang tagline namin is we are the machines. Okay? So hindi na kami gumagamit ng mga leg press. So ginagamit namin barbell, kettlebell, medicine ball. Yun yung mga equipment na ginagamit sa cross-training.
Coach, curious akong subukan ng mga routines o workouts. Pero ano-ano ba ang mga ituturo mo sa akin today?
Una sa lahat, meron tayong 4 na parte kasama ang cool down, which is hindi ko na sinulat sa board. Okay. Sa una, ang gagawin natin, mag-warm up muna tayo. Okay, this is our warm up. Okay, itong warm up ay naka-design doon sa gagawin nating 2 main parts for the day. So, we're gonna do a strength work, which is a push press, mamaya using a barbell. So mamaya, i-explain ko paano natin siya gagawin. Tapos, ang last segment is gonna be a Metcon. Tapos, may kinatawag kaming AMRAP. Ang AMRAP ay ibig sabihin ay as many rounds as possible for 7 minutes. Okay? So, for the next 7 minutes, mamaya dun sa main part, uulit-ulitin natin yung 3 movement na sinulat ko sa board. So, we got calorie bike, which is assault bike or eco bike. Okay? Mamaya, magagamit tayo ng dumbbell, and we're gonna finish off with the farmer's carry. Mamaya, ang magiging intent ng workout na to is hindi lang basta magbuhat. Okay? Ito ay para rin lumakas ang baga. Okay? At the same time, mag-lift tayo ng moderate weight na dumbbell. Okay? So after nito, we're gonna end or patapusin natin ang workout with a cool down. So for our first warm-up, we're gonna go for calorie bike. So basically calorie bike, so you're gonna wait for 5 calories for this type of warm-up. Around 30 seconds, maybe 40. one is gonna be scapula push-ups plus shoulder taps. So you're gonna start by going to your plank position. Okay, you're gonna squeeze your scap. Tapos shoulder taps. So you're gonna start by doing or hugging your knee. Okay, go to your lunge position. Place your elbows to the floor. Open up, then go back. That's one. Okay, we're gonna do it 3%. Banded pull aparts, basically you're gonna hold the band, okay? If two bands is hard, you can go for single band. So here, simple lang to. Pull the band out, 1, 2, 5. So for the strength part, we're gonna do barbell push press. Okay, we're gonna do the push press. Ibig sabihin, we're gonna do two movements. Push press, the dip and the press. Okay, so maraming way para gawin yung push press ng mali. So I'll teach you how to do it properly. So basically, you're gonna set up one thumb away from the rough part. Okay, get under the bar. Okay, bring here. Okay, you're gonna dip and explode. 1, dip, 2, and re-rock. Then now you walk. Okay, relax lang yung arms, huwag mo siya bigyan ng tension. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Let's go, faster bike, faster bike. Faster and switch down. Go to the next movement. Chest up before you grab it. Okay, proper form. Bring the dumbbell to your hips. Swing, clean, dip, jerk. Again, switch, hand. Okay, swing, catch it, dip, jerk. One more. Okay, again, switch, lean forward. Okay, dip. Okay, that's too low. Okay, and dip and press. Okay, good. Now, for the last movement, grab the kettlebell. Chest up, back straight. Okay, squat, look straight first, and bring it to your hips. Now you walk. Okay, walk, walk, and go back. And put it down properly. There you go.
Kakaiba ang cross-training dahil isa ito sa practice na maaaring gawin ng kahit sino at anumang edad, pasimula man or regular athlete. Walang duda na ang cross-training ay isang magandang routine para matulungan ang kahit sinong maabot ang kanilang health and fitness goals. Ako si Sheila Salaysay at ito ang Inside Sports.